The key event in the stock market this week is AI chip maker NVIDIA and the world's third largest company's earnings report coming out on Wednesday. It'll likely to determine if the stock market has more room up or if we're going to hit an air pocket in the market to decline. The reason why NVIDIA's earnings report is so important is because it's the leader of the AI trend in the markets right now. It's the pick and shovels play to Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, and they're big spenders on NVIDIA's AI chips known as GPUs. I think NVIDIA will beat on their earnings per share and revenue, in my opinion. You could kind of think of NVIDIA and compare it to Cisco. The Cisco was kind of leading the internet revolution in the 1990s. It was an infrastructure play on the internet, and Cisco's stock 16x'd its revenue, and the stock went up 4,000% from 1994 to 2001. And right now, since late 2022 when ChatGPT was released, NVIDIA stock is up 533%, and their revenue has only gone up by 4 times. So I think NVIDIA has more room to go in terms of its stock price. There's so much demand that we're seeing. This AI revolution is just beginning. It's a 1995 moment, or perhaps a 1996 moment, but certainly not a 1999 moment. I think we have multiple years to go in this 3 to 5 year bull market. Obviously, I think it'll be a bubble that'll eventually pop, but until then, we'll see massive gains. Obviously, NVIDIA stock might hit multiple air pockets of 25 to 35% on its way to increasing its value and stock price 3 to 4x over the next 3 to 4 years. And right now, NVIDIA is trading 15% below their 5-year forward PE. Their forward PE right now is 35 times forward earnings. And that's pretty compelling. NVIDIA is growing into its valuation. And first of all, Cisco's PE was about 125 forward PE, and was growing their revenue at about 60%. NVIDIA is actually growing its revenue at that 35 times forward PE at 100%. So NVIDIA is growing faster and it's more valuable. So I don't think NVIDIA is near a bubble. Obviously, we have to see. Let's see how the report comes out on Wednesday. And then I also wanted to touch on why Bitcoin and Ethereum and the crypto market in general is pumping right now. It looks like there's increased odds at now about 75% chance, according to Eric Balchunas, ETF analyst at Bloomberg, for the SEC approving a spot Ethereum ETF. And it looks like the SEC is doing a 180 flip and changing their stance, and might actually provide that approval based on what Eric Balchunas is saying. And maybe they were realizing the politics of being negative towards crypto, and maybe, before the election, they want to be a little bit more accommodating towards crypto. Maybe perhaps that's why Eric Balchunas flipped his, or pretty much increased his spot Ethereum ETF approval odds to 75%. But either way, that's why the crypto market's pumping right now. Bitcoin hit 70,000 and Ethereum hit about 3,400 to 3,500. Let's stay tuned on further price action.